Good day and welcome back, my beautiful peeps. I don't know we outside today. We have one. See this? What's on? Keep big stone. So anyway, guys, I go up on the fishing today, isn't? Tropical lunch all the side of the boat. Overnight fishing, isn't me? Deep sea I go today. So anyway, guys, God go with us. Always, hopefully we'll bring up on some fish. We and the great Ike Buddha go there. You know, Glenn Buddha, Fame brother, isn't me? And the great Leon there, so isn't? Crocodile boss. So anyway, peeps, I'll show you catch. I'll show you how the journey how it go. So stay tuned. On the outside. Some fish, they have a net pack up already. I don't know where I go there now, you see? Yeah man, we are doing great. Tropical on today, so I'm going to chew rum.
Kill me, I can't go there, go kill
me.
Shut up.
Go up above, go up above.
Over there, Sabudo.
Oh, what that? Come. Outside, no, you know?
What up?
Oh, there we go, peeps. The over in the back around, so I don't know how we go there and there. We're going out and we're going deep, you see. Guys, camp on the boat, you see me? So stay tuned, we're outside. Remember, go over to my YouTube channel, like, share, subscribe, we outside be night, you see me? Yeah man. I don't know a night sea. Yeah man. I've rad them up in the bow. You know, wipe on that still, but I've rad them up so. Tropical lunch out so. Great buy around so. I don't know how I can run so. Peeps, like, share, subscribe to Jamaica Adventures. So I'll show you link it. See? Yeah man, my peeps, so they are mighty blue, you know. That is pelican over there. You know, so far over there, you see me? Yeah man. That is it man. That is Coleman Rock over there guys. See me? Yeah. So what's up with bisa atin niya na water na. Bisa reef. So this is how we jump on net, you see me? Little net, that's about 60 pound on net we have on the boat. So we are going to set out the net, make it go and stay for about 2 hours or look less before the night come down. And then we are going to throw 2 lines so we can go on for it, you see me? Yeah man. So look at this beautiful sunset. That is it man. Out in a mighty ocean, you know. So we start show some line now. So we can go on for it. So you see it? Very beautiful out here guys. But if you are the faint of heart, you can't come to them places, you see me? You have to be brave heart. I can't swim too. Peeps are the first snapper of the night. Big snapper at least. You know, a pound size. That is it man, tropical hunter there so. I want to shine lightly and there so. Guys, I'm gonna catch some fish now guys, but You know, that's my first big one of the night, you see me? Yeah man, so make you know, show you the catch of the night. That is it. Peeps, Japanese and now, snap on. Oh that no, grunt, my mistake.
Yeah, the cooler should have the upside.
You want what meat out?
The cooler should have the upside.
How far? Just drop him ass and me take him up.
Take up the cooler, put over the seat. Yeah, put it
Over the seat, eh? Alright. Alright. It's a boy and salt.
The man them.
Eh?
I doors when I mean, man, me see boat outfit turn over now. So blood clot jack, me see I come up.
Well,
Me say,
how you back, I chop your uncle plate. My piece of cool lick last night. What time did somebody have a job for real good?
yeah boy. Me say.
Let's come out. You hear talk and sleep, you sleep but the whole night. Right now you get the best sleep. Right now, if you supposed to the back a wall over. Yeah, I'm on a bunging job, showing for them.
Yeah.
Tips, we there, we go. I'm a whole heap of shrimp crepes, so. I got jar net now, and same can do some jack line. You see me? I'll show. See that? Whole heap of jack, and catch some nice jack peeps.
Yes man.
You see me? Scam and catch some nice jack and put Ike. Yo, them one that are real blood. Them one that are, see there? Right about there? Them one that are real predator. The one that see that, which one? One see, yeah, the man sit down the whole night now. Step on the roof. A piece of flowers. One peeps, you see the trough there? I come over Jamaica, you know. Okay, my peeps, so we are going back now, but we are going to roast couple jack first and catch up with stomach. And tropical hunter still there. Got out to fish them, so we are showing where we're going. Stay tuned, guys. So my peeps, I was going to say, reach back on a little remote island and we are going to roast two jack. Because you know most of the guys don't catch last night, and my part of duty is to catch the fire. You know what thing goes in. But I'm most fishermen come at them places in. Alright, right that. That's like that. So the fish and tropical hunt have finished got now. And they put on the zinc here. Find a piece of zinc. So we get the zinc wash off of the water. And salt water and those call it off for the fire, you see me? Yeah man, we don't have salt, nothing added, you see me? So it go. Right now I want to sleep peeps, but that's how it go. I always outside like all the time guys. I always here to entertain you. All the old subscriber, all the new subscriber, big up on yourself like all the time, you see? Yeah man, remember guys, the video now going away if you not share it, you know. Watch the ads to you, see? Yeah man, Jamaica Adventures man. It's a pleasure serving you guys. Yeah man, so that is it peeps. The real fisherman way, you know? Jack, Leon going good last time peeps, not gonna lie, you know? Most of them fisher, Leon Alisa for that. Yeah. Peeps. Every turn we turn last time I see man in the line there man. I'll be man asleep so. I see man. I see man in the line there man. All the man jump asleep so the man in the line there man. See me so. And the man, I fish. But yeah man, looking good. Oh, the pop.
Some of them are difficult.
You like them one today. That already see them on the middle one there. I see in color change. Ah, that looking good. This one my peeps, so have some pepper and some lime by a G have. And drop roast fish. Banana salt, the season of the pint peeps. And a dog food, but fisherman way, you know. Nice.
Right now, some of them would have had cases.
Right now, you want to taste this, peeps. Wow. The jack have him own flavor. What's it, man? Thick. Pepper full of flavor too, you know.
Now you take a root check and say, man. The one I roast already, I put on the one.
That is it, my peeps. So I'll finish my jack. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll show you when we are going to see. Big up on yourself. And mama feed it. Yes, my peeps, so. Okay. That was hot. You see, peeps? I'm eating jackfish and pumpkin. So the reason for you guys not seeing most of these catch, guys, I got seasick, right? So you know the boat whole night, not the boat and the boat depend. I got seasick because I drank some things that wasn't going out with my stomach, wasn't agreeing with my stomach. So you know that guys in. So peeps, remember like, share, subscribe. Right now I mash up them two jackfish and you can eat the snapper, you see? So anyway, you're outside like all the time. Like, share, subscribe. You want jackfish? Come for.